Hi, hello, my dear student, 10th class social. Third lesson, today we learn about the lesson, third lesson, production and employment. Once again, production and employment. You know them already, you at your home, your parents and other than the parents at your neighboring there, the households. We are going to the livelihood purpose, going to the employment where the various sectors also depend upon. Here, people are engaged in different activities to earn their livelihood. These activities are a varied sectors also depend upon. Suppose here primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary sector is called the agriculture sector or related to a fishing, forestry and mining also. Fishing, forestry and mining also including in the sectors. Next, secondary sector is mainly in the manufacturing process and other the industries where goods are produced by people using tools and machines. And third one is the tertiary sector or service sector. Those activities that doesn't related in goods but provide services that are required production and other the service of for people. For example, here watch it. Here service sector. Here the service sector. This one is the service sector. Here the industrial sector. Here both are agriculture sector. Agriculture sector. Here service sector. Here industrial sector. Here depend upon the various peoples also. Here are the agriculture sectors. The goods become a final if it is not used further in producing goods by sold. And also we calculate production of the country's people. How will be the country is calculating all the people's production? It is called a gross domestic product, GDP. Is the value of all the final goods and service produced within a country during the particular year. Suppose at your home, in your parents, mother, father is going to the outside of the work. Yearly the production of the outside of year end of the year, the final the calculate with them. Here also them the whole country people's production calculate in the GDP calculation. The unpaid work is done mostly by women even today in India and across the globe. And also another example at our home, mothers service there so many items in there helpful in our countries that not send on the money or not respected. Even the world also today is not calculated for the GDP. And also the community, social and the personal services compared to public administration, defense, education, health, veterinary and activities media, library, archives, museums and other the cultural activities etc. also here the performing in in our country people. Finance, insurance and real estate companies of services of banks, post offices, saving units and non-banking financial companies, life insurance and general insurance companies, services of brokers, real estate companies etc. also here the service sector in the help of in our daily life. And other the service sector division compares of trade, hotels, transport and the communications. And the situation of here the some of the people are there here not sufficient of the job in our the society. Under the persons, the situation of under development where the people are opportunity working but all of them are made to work less than the potential. and other than the people here. This kind of unemployment is hidden in the contrast to someone who does not have a job and is clearly visible as unemployed. It is called a disguised unemployment. And other than here, in our country, is the 90% of people are workers in India are found in the unorganized sector. Like here, every morning to nearby the watch there, going to here the workers. So you already watch and every day on the main centers in our cities also and other than places. And only a 8% kind of work in the organized sector in our country. And another than place of work of our organized sector are registered by the government and have to follow its rules and regulations. Only for the whose are registered company or follow the government rules and regulations. And other than the companies not follow the government rules. That's called an unorganized sector. We have to other the elevations also get it. For example, allowances. We have the government employees also allowances. Is there daily in there. Here for example of PF, Provident Fund, ESI and free household and other than the children's help to the education to a free on the companies or other than the government companies. But other unorganized sector not helpful on there. The organized sector is characterized by a small and scattered units which have remained largely outside of control of a government. Unorganized sectors. Some established there in our nearby the rural areas and the town of metropolitan cities other than areas established there some little units are helpful there. Here not follow the control of the government. Nearly in our country in the 80% of rural households in India are in a small and marginal farmers category. In our country, people also depend on the primary sector, agriculture sector. Here engaged on the 80% of rural families, rural people also depend on them. Here only small and marginal farmers category farmers in the maximum. During the 2004 and 2005 onwards, 92% of all workers contributed the 50% only for the production of the 50% of in the GDP. Of a GDP, where has the 8% of people had a decent employment and the contributed the 50% of a GDP of production. For example, people in the 90%, here the easily understand in the table. Here the people of engaged in our country. 90% of people production in the GDP 50%. Only for 8% of the people organized sector is the unorganized sector. Here the organized sector only for the 50%. Here only 8% of people production on the 50%. Total GDP 100%. Total people 100. Here the same the value. It easily understand in the table. Next going to that, we should invest in many the industries in both rural and semi-urban areas, so that we are able to produce many more goods and services also. For example, in our area, rural areas established there the sugar factories, other than here then some small scale, here the match boxes and the kirana shops and other than the helpful there. These are examples. We not only have to generate a new employment opportunities, but also train in many the workers to work efficiently and with the machines also depend upon their in our daily life. Here to observe that these the photographs also them here. The rural areas also depend. Here for example, here organized sector and organized employment of the here the sources of also depend. Thank you to one and all. Thank you.